In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language in Google Keep. This is a simple task that can make your experience much more comfortable if you're more familiar with a language other than the default one. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step, ensuring everything is clear and straightforward for you. Firstly, we'll start with your Google browser. Ensure you're logged into your Google account, as this will give you access to your account settings. Once you're in your browser, locate the profile icon. This is usually found in the upper right corner of the window, represented by your Google account profile picture, or if you haven't set one, the first letter of your account name, go ahead and click on it. After clicking the profile icon, a drop-down menu appears. In this menu, you'll see an option labeled Manage Your Google Account. This is the gateway to adjusting your account settings, so click on this option. Once you're in the Google account settings area, look to the left hand side of your screen where you'll find various options that allow you to adjust settings related to personal information and privacy, among other things. Here you want to click on Personal Info. Scroll down a bit and you'll come to a section titled General Preferences for the Web. This section holds the key to changing your language settings. Under this you will see Language. Click on it to continue. This will bring you to a new page where you can see the language currently set as your preferred one for using Google services. To change this, locate the pencil icon next to this language. Clicking the pencil icon allows you to select a new language. From here you have two options. You can select a language from the list that you prefer, or if you want to add another language to your account settings, you can click on Add Another Language. This option is useful if you frequently switch between languages or if you need services available in multiple languages. After selecting your preferred language or adding additional languages, your settings will be updated automatically. You don't need to save anything manually. Google handles that for you. This ensures that all the services linked to your Google account, including Google Keep, are displayed in the language or languages of your choice. And that's it, you've successfully changed the language in Google Keep, making your user experience more personalized and convenient. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more of our tutorials for tips and tricks to make technology work better for you.